Hi there, I'm Tim Hawes from the locals at Ray White, and if you're starting out on the market or downsizing, then 3 Lambeth Road should be definitely on your list. It's such a cute little home and we are in a fantastic pocket of Auckland, so make sure you come along. A classic 1940s bungalow, it retains the charm of the period with its native timber floors, and the 2 double bedrooms, both with wardrobes, mean you have great accommodation. There's a large separate living room and it opens up to a north-facing deck and garden which is fully fenced and ready to go for children and fur babies alike. The carport is at your front door, and you may find you leave it at home though, as there are great public transport links a short walk away. And with Sandringham Village at the end of the street, you may find the walk to dinner is quicker than getting a car park. You're in zone for Balmoral School and Mags, and so schooling is not a problem here. This home is ready and waiting for new owners, so make sure you come along on the weekend to the open home or give us a call and we can arrange a private viewing.